Hey everybody, welcome back to That's the Tea. Today we're going to be exploring Avila Valley Barn here in Avila Beach. We're going to go look around at some animals, look at some pies, see what they've got to offer. So grab your cups
and come with us.
get some lettuce to feed our little furry friends here today. All right, we should make some friends. What are you doing on the roof? What are you doing on the roof? I'm doing this on the roof. As you can see right off the gate, there is no shortage of wildlife, as these goats are right inside coming to greet us just as you walk in. So I'm looking to make some real instant friends here. Hey buddy, hey guy. Oh yeah, someone's hungry. Well, it looks like everybody's hungry. All right, looks like we found some friends who are hungry and large for some lettuce. Oh my goodness. Oh, hello. Does that taste good? Is that yummy stuff? He's like, yeah. Where's some more? Ready for more, please? Oh, hi. Oh, that's a big, pretty nose.
Look at that. Want some too? Hi, Abby.
Oh, out of the way. That's right, that's Abby.
Okay, I have a friend named Abby.
Showing up. It's like, yeah, my name's Abby. Give me some lettuce. and the pretty one, that's a pygmy. Yeah.
You're so pretty. Yes.
You guys having a little snack that someone threw back there. Good for you. Excuse me. I want some more. More, please.
Oh yeah, this part better.
Oh. Oh gosh. Little bites.
Really?
Little bites.
Here you go. Oh.
Well, it looks like we got a jealous friend over here. Do it again. Of course not.
Yep. Look, Ralph, this one's name is Rosie.
There we go. Hey. Oh my.
Oh.
Get some farm fresh eggs.
Sounds like it might be time to check out the sweet shop. Oh, does it smell good in here?
I take it to the candy shop.
Let's see, right off the bat, got some packaged licorice, blue raspberry, peach, watermelon, fresh mini cider donuts. Pick a drizzle. Ooh, olive berry drizzle donuts. That doesn't sound too bad at all. It looks like a bunch of assorted candies.
$7.
But nice. Ooh, that's a good heft on that mug. That's nice. Go put that back. Got a nice little treat table over here.
I think I need
I was
this.
just looking at that mug over there. That's what I was saying, got some nice heft to it. Oh my gosh. Back when I was growing up, this is what was in our local ice cream shop as well. Trying to deter me away from ice cream when I was a little boy. Onto them. Oh, I love the color of this one. I like the orange. Lemon cream almonds. Ooh, look at the assorted taffy. I'm not sure if anyone here watching is a taffy fan, but I am not. Like, taffy always just seemed more happy. Alright, let's check out the ice cream confections. Got a root beer float, strawberry shortcake sundae. Love that. Strawberry, praline pecan, chocolate fudge, moose tracks, lemon sorbet, vanilla bean, oatmeal chocolate chip. That sounds amazing. Red raspberry cheesecake and frosted cupcake.
I think I found your two favorite flavors combined. Chocolate chip.
What a cute little store. And they got these shirts up here. It's called The Barn. San Luis Obispo, California, Avila Valley Barn. Different colors, different sizes. Sweet merch. Like, that is a good amount of merchandise for a barn. Alright, just got out of the sweet shop. Thought we'd make our way over to the actual produce and barn area where we sell the flowers and some pies and a couple other things. Let's take a look around. So okra chips with sea salt. What's that? Ooh, the avocado bag, or half an avocado bag. A lot of avocado featured merchandise. Which, when is that ever bad? Beer can chicken. Is that a mustard? Monkey spit swap mop. That sounds delectable. Sign me up. I know beer can chicken is kind of like a recipe of some kind. I've not seen it advertised in a jar. Ooh, beets. Where's Dwight Schrute? I feel like I'm on some sort of beet farm mentioned in some show I watched at one point in time. Oh, here we go. Over to the vegetable section.
I found something I need.
Wow, that is adorable.
I love reusable bags, and I think I need this.
I'm so happy for you. You found a new happy place all the way out here, miles away from our home. This ensures that we'll be coming back at some point, which is always a hoot. Alright, so we've got some locally grown produce, watermelons. Let's see. Some more merchandise out here, some plants, some succulents. Plant-related items. I like that little bike. Life is better in flip-flops. They are not lying. Ooh, there's a picture of flip-flops.
I'm gonna go find one.
Drunken apple pie. Farm Girls Lotions and Potions. Is that a candle? It is. Ooh, take a big whiff.
Oh, that smells really
That
good.
smells really good.
I might need that.
I found the shop for the child in all this because there's goats. This is kind of adorable. DIY potato clock.
Here, did you go back? Oh, these are the little kids. Can you go upstairs?
Oh, a little book. Good night, beach. Good night, seashore. Good night, ocean. Oh, that's an investment right there. It's like I gotta go visit all these places and I gotta wish them all good night. Ooh, an ant farm. Magic set. Oh, found another one. Good night, cowboys. Good night, farm. And good night, country store. This little person saying all the good nights is very busy. Especially with good night mermaids. So way back when I asked a friend of mine and I was like, if I were delivering the news, because I tell a lot of stories, how would you end like my news segment? Like there are some people that are like, let's get after it, or let's go discover it. But she told me that after I would deliver the news, I'd say, and that's the tea. And that's kind of where the inception of this channel comes from. So this channel is run on love, laughter, and tea, which brings me to the best little napkin and thing right here. This one is really cute, but as a fan of the tea, hit me with your best five. Let us know in the comments what you think about how we should do ending of the videos here. Grab your cups, get your tea along, something like that. We're always looking, because we're just starting out, to see about how we can form up the old catchphrases, so let us know. Looks like we got a little assortment of the frozen pies as well. Frozen pies $23.95, boysenberry pie $28.95, pecan $24.95, frozen cobblers $12.95, and frozen crisps $12.95. As well as some meat, also frozen. But if you wanted to take home and cook your own all berry pie or peach blueberry, ooh, that sounds really good. Peach blueberry pie or apple pie, back of the store, right where you'd find it. How delicious does this fruit look? Oh my gosh. Like I might have to buy a few of these guys just to snack on. Ooh.
He didn't hear him.
Raspberries and strawberries. Oh, they look delicious.
Man, you're so lucky.
All right, we picked up some treats from the produce stand. Looks like we got a big old Rice Krispie treat, which we hear is cooked in brown butter. And then we got ourselves an Avila pie, a chocolate chip cookie, which smelled really good, and some English toffee from inside. This all looks amazing, and the challenge now is to eat at least some of it before it, we open it and let it sit there for a day. Probably won't make it, but that pie I hear is amazing. So we're gonna try some of the Rice Krispie treat now. Ready? I'm ready.
Ready.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That was a genius way of doing that.
Thank you.
That's a big piece. Oh, you probably want to see that. It might be from nostalgia of not having a Krispie treat in a while, but that's actually pretty good. And I can't tell you the difference if it's made between brown butter or not. But if it is, yummy. All right, well that's gonna do it for us about Avila Valley Barn. Fed some cows. We got some food to go. Got some mac and cheese and some fried chicken and some Brussels sprouts, and we got some pie to eat later. So hope you all enjoyed walking around with us, seeing everything, and that's gonna do it for today. So please like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Let us know in the comments what you think, and that's the tea. All right, bye-bye.
Bye.